Yes, welcome back again to another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can boost your self-esteem. Before we move on, this is the digital pathway, and you already know, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on that bell icon, subscribe to that thing, like that thing, and with that you're going to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting all of your time, let's dive into today's video. Alright, on how you can boost your self-esteem. I'm gonna say this: allow yourself, give yourself that time to gradually build up your self-belief again and again. And guess what? Don't beat yourself. Do something for yourself every day. Yes, do something for yourself every day.